Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to start another work week in my life vlog, and this is already turning out to be a really different work week in my life. For one, I'm starting this on Tuesday because yesterday was like the 4th of July observed holiday, so I didn't have to work yesterday, and I just wanted to start a work week in my life today. But I'm actually working from home today because this morning my supervisor texted us and told us that we should work from home because we actually have like a hurricane coming. I think right now it's still a tropical storm, but especially being right near the water, I think it floods down there. So it's better if we just work from home just to stay safe, and I think that we're closing early today anyways. So I'm gonna be working from home today, and maybe the rest of the week will be a little more normal, but I hope you all enjoy this work week of my life. So I've been working for a little bit. I think I'm gonna make a quick lunch, snack kind of thing. It's a little bit late, but I'm in the mood for something with eggs. So I think I'm gonna scramble some eggs and put on like a toast, make like an egg toast. I don't like avocado toast or anything. So I think I'm gonna do something like that. Maybe put some lettuce, salsa, and just have that for kind of like a late lunch. So I'm gonna take out, butter some toast. I get a plate actually. Finished product. I've never even really made this, so I'm intrigued to see what it's gonna taste like. It's not my favorite salsa, but it's gonna have to do. My lunch was really good actually. I actually wanted to come back in my room, and I actually want to light a candle because the storm is actually starting to come in now. It only rained a little bit, but it's definitely gonna start hitting like a little bit later, probably in the next couple hours. So I'm ready for like all the cozy vibes. I actually want to do one that's a little bit sweeter. I don't know why I'm in the mood for like fall scents when it's like obviously not fall yet, but I have this really good smelling gingerbread one I might do. I have like way too many candles as you can see, or the marshmallow fireside. No, it's like too Christmassy. Yeah, I think I'm in the mood for this one. This is spiced gingerbread from Bath & Body Works. I got this when they had the big candle day sale last winter. I think it's like around Christmas time. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back. I love this. Actually should cut the wicks. So I'm gonna use wick cutter. You're supposed to like cut these so that it burns a little bit more evenly, and it won't I think it keeps from getting soot around the edges. I don't really know. I just know you're supposed to do this. This candle just smells so good. Even though it's gingerbread, it's just like that really good sweet smell. And I have my electric lighter. This thing's also great. But it's basically just like this. You can charge it with a USB, and you flip this open and it'll tell you the charge, and then you press this button. Just do it like this. I just never light candles enough because I'm usually not home obviously during the day. So I'm gonna take advantage of it, and I have way too many and I never burn through them because I always forget to even light them. And I'm really excited actually because this just came in the mail. Brand new phone. I'm so excited. We got new phones, I guess when would have been sometime last week. Well, I think they're still doing it, but Verizon was having this really good deal. Well, actually AT&T was doing it too, because when I went to visit John's parents in North Carolina, his mom and John got new phones because they were doing this like awesome trade-in where you could get like $700 off the new phone. I think his mom got less because she was going from like Android to iPhone, but John got like $700 off a new phone, and he had paid less than that for the phone he had before because he had bought it off like Facebook. He had the 10S I think, and he only paid like $400 I think for that. And on the new iPhone 12, he got $700 off of that. So he just paid $200 outright and got a brand new phone. So my dad told me that Verizon was doing a similar deal, and we had been kind of trying to convince my mom to get an iPhone. So this was her chance to make that switch as well. So she got, again, like a little bit less money off, but she was able to put that towards the iPhone 12. And since I had an iPhone, I got $700 off of this. So I wanted to upgrade to the Pro. So I got the iPhone 12 Pro. I got the gold one. I didn't need a new phone like at all. I had the iPhone 11 and I had it since February of 2020, so it hasn't even been like a year and a half barely, but I just couldn't pass up the deal. It was definitely worth it because I'm gonna make the money back on this phone. So we tried to pay off the other phones, and then I got $700 off this one, so I think it only costs $200 total. And after like doing monthly payments, I'm only paying like $10 a month for a new phone. And usually it's like 30 plus to pay off the regular price of an iPhone. I was thinking about getting the 12 because that's just what everyone was getting, and it was only going to be like $5 a month, but I was like, I already had the 11, which is basically the same thing as the 12. I feel like there's not that much difference. So I wanted to go up to the 12 Pro, just have a little bit of an upgrade, since like I said, I didn't need a new phone at all, but I figured might as well use such a good deal like this to get one that's a little bit of a step up. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'll do a little unboxing, and I'm going to start transferring everything while I finish up work. Just figured I would go ahead and open it and get that started, so while I'm working it'll kind of be transferring from my old phone. But I'm so excited. I missed having a gold phone because the 11 and the 12s are all like those different colors. I would have gotten white, and I had white in my 11, but all the old iPhones used to be like these gold finishes, so I think it's gonna be really nice. I'm really excited. It's really cool that this came in a black box too, because my mom's came a little bit earlier. She just got the regular 12 and it was in just like the regular white iPhone box, but I guess the Pros now come in this black box, which is really cool. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying. Oh, amazing. And this is my old phone for reference. So I had the white iPhone 11. I do think that these are a little bit smaller in the hand, like the dimensions, but I'm gonna have to get used to that because it also has like the squared kind of sides. I'll show you. And this has like the rounded corners. I'm just gonna slide that off. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so obsessed with it. Oh, I love the gold. It's so nice. See, it has like the reflective sides. The gold is so pretty. And it's almost like a matte feeling too. It's like matte to the touch, but the 12s I think are that more like reflective. It'll kind of grab fingerprints and stuff. So I mean, it's kind of like this on the sides, but I'm going to be putting a clear case on it. I'm going to finally have the 3 cameras. I always was like, it's not that big of a deal. I didn't really care about the telephoto, but it's going to be so nice to have it on this one. I'm so excited. It's like the best part. And I do already have screen protectors and a case. They're out in the kitchen. But see if it has any charge. Yay. And yeah, the new iPhones I guess just come with the cord because they switched it to like the USB-C. So I bought a box, or what are they called? Block. I got that and it already came in the mail. So I think you can still use the old cords on this, but I figured I might as well get the new block just so I have it, and it probably would be better for the battery. I'm gonna go through all of this and then show you guys probably when it's done. So I would just want to show you guys like that I set my phone up, and on the camera it's like showing this line like going through, and then that's flashing. That's really weird because that's not happening in real life. So I don't know if that's just the way another camera picks it up, like the new technology. Oh wait, what the heck? It's happening on my old phone too. Hold on. I turn my brightness down and it kind of goes away. Okay, well the light's definitely flashing, but I'm not really getting that line. Maybe because there's a picture, you can't tell. Okay, I'm kind of freaked out. I don't know if that's like a common thing of just like, I've like never seen that. I feel like I've held my phone up for the vlog before and I've never noticed that. Anyways, I'll have to look into that. Yeah, see, it's just the new one. I don't know if that's because like it's like a better display now or it just picks up more. I don't know. But everything transferred over. I kind of like to start fresh a little bit. So, I mean, by starting fresh, I just switched out this picture and all my apps are in at the same place. I'm always scared to like wipe the old phone, even though I know like everything's transferred. Since there are still like a couple more apps going through, I'm gonna make sure all of that's ready and like downloaded before I wipe this one. And then in order to get the deal, we have to send this back as like the trade-in. So once I send this back, I'll be getting the money off this phone, which is like, again, like $700, which is crazy. I got everything transferred over. As you can see, it's like a little bit smaller. And then the back obviously looks different with the 3 cameras, and this one's in gold. I did put on the clear case that I got. I haven't done the screen protector because I'm not very good at it. I don't know if I'm gonna wait for John to do it or if I'm gonna attempt, but that's that. I love the gold. I missed it. And I actually got used to having a black case. I always had clear cases. Even on the white phone, I started with a clear case. It's just what I've always had on my phones, but I kind of wanted something different, so I had black on this one. I actually really liked it too, so it's gonna be weird going back to clear. This is the new cord and charger. The block looks like totally different. It's like rounded now. But this will go directly into my computer as well because we only have the USB-C ports on that. But it's nice because now I have both. So I'm going to be using this on my new phone just to make sure the battery is like as good as it can be. But yeah, I'm really happy and super excited to have a new phone. I'm going to help my mom set hers up probably after we eat. and we're about to have tacos, so I'm really excited. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday now. This was my work outfit. Sweatpants and a hoodie because I worked from home again today. We had the storm come through last night, but it actually like wasn't that bad at all. It kind of just rained while I was going to sleep, and I thought it was gonna pass through more today, but it really didn't. So I definitely could have gone to work, but I still don't want to deal with like the wind and stuff. But I've just been working all day from here, and last night I helped my mom put together her new phone, and we actually made some banana bread. And I did a workout. I did like my dance cardio that I do. And I did some stuff with the free weights I have, just like some ab and arm workouts. So that felt great because I've definitely been off my workout game. I was going to do it again tonight because I thought I was staying home, but John's letting me know that he wants to go downtown with some friends because tonight is the Lightning game for the Cup. So I think we're going to go and do that just because it'll be fun to kind of be around everything going on and everyone having a big party for the game. So I'm just going to get ready now. I'm not sure what we'll do for dinner. I'm just going to head that way and see what we want to do when he gets off work. I just finished getting ready. This is the fit. I have this kind of like crisscross halter top with my baggy Zara jeans, or no, not Zara, Nasty Gal jeans, and Fila's. I haven't worn these in forever, but I thought it kind of went with the vibe. I don't know, I've never done like the baggy jeans and big shoes thing, but I guess I'll be a little bit 90s tonight. And in case it rains at all, I'll be prepared with tennis shoes. So I think it's kind of cute. And then I'll just take my little clutch and I put on some cute jewelry and kind of put a couple curls in my hair, but it's probably going to be super humid and disgusting outside, so I might put it up later. So I'm home now. I'm about to go to sleep. The Bolts won the Cup. I'm so excited. I'm not like super into any sport, but I do like watching hockey, and it was just so exciting to see the Lightning win again. We won the last Stanley Cup and we just took it home another time, so that was really fun. We just went downtown, like I think I explained, just like this little area kind of close to the arena, and they did like a watch party, and we just were able to hang out with friends and have some drinks and stuff. So it was really fun. We definitely got rained on a little bit, so I felt absolutely disgusting, and I'm so glad I was able to come home, take a shower. It's definitely after 2 o'clock, I'm pretty sure, so I really need to get to bed. I am going to work tomorrow, so yeah. Like I said, this wasn't really in my plan for tonight, but I'm glad we went because it was really fun, and definitely something a little more spontaneous, and definitely a memory because we won, so it was really fun. Yeah, it felt so good to wash my hair since, like I said, I got rained on, and I'm just ready to get my pajamas and go to sleep, and I will pick up the vlog in the morning. Happy Thursday. I'm about to head to work now. As you saw before, I washed my hair, so I tried to put a few curls in it. It's definitely gonna get pretty fluffy later, I'm pretty sure. I'm just wearing something super basic and comfy, just a cardigan, black jeans, and yeah, I'm making my coffee right now, and I'm gonna put together or figure out at least what I'm gonna take for lunch because I don't even know if we have anything. I definitely need to go to Trader Joe's soon. I think I'm gonna go to John's after work. I'm not entirely sure since I technically went yesterday. We do want to go to the gym, but I don't know how bad it's supposed to rain today. I don't know if it's gonna carry over, but I hope I don't get caught in it, and I don't want my hair to get really gross, so we'll see. First, I'm gonna get my coffee made. I know you guys have probably seen me do this a million times. This is the banana bread, so ignore that. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this caramel syrup and a splash of milk. I usually have a banana and grapes for lunch, but we're out of bananas since we made the banana bread. So I guess I will just have grapes. Feel bad because my dog is freaking out because he loves bananas and I always give him a little tiny piece. And I'm not gonna have one for you today, I'm sorry. I'll have to give him a treat. I usually pre-wash my grapes, but I haven't gotten around to doing these yet, so I'm gonna have to wash these. And I'm gonna take some of that banana bread, thinking I'll probably eat it like soon when I get to work, so more like a kind of breakfast. I also usually go ahead and put my water on the thing. So this is the chocolate one and this is the regular one. I think I might take a little tiny piece of both. I didn't really show you guys, but turned out like that. So I just put a couple really thin pieces in here. I can snack on when I get to work. I just love banana and chocolate together. I think that's like such a good flavor. I think I'm just gonna keep it really easy for lunch. I have this Trader Joe's orange chicken bowl. It's like the last frozen meal I have. And I'm gonna give Mac a treat since he can't have banana today. A treat. So I'm at John's now. This is the patio furniture we just got this past weekend. No, what day was that? Monday. Because we had Monday off work, so we went shopping with my family. And we found these. It's so cute. I feel like it's like exactly what I wanted for out here. We found it at Ross actually, and it looks like kind of Restoration Hardware to me. So I definitely wanted to snatch it up. I think we paid like less than $200 for all of this. So the 2 chairs and the table, and I think it's just perfect. And sit here now and look over in the water and the palm trees and stuff. I absolutely love the backyard. So I'm so glad we were able to finally get some furniture for out here, because we were looking at getting some kind of little bistro table set up just like this, but we were just looking at kind of more basic stuff. But once I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I took a picture and put on my Instagram story with it over here because I wanted to get like the palm trees and stuff in the back, but it makes more sense to have it in this corner so that like when you're sitting you can overlook the water. So I love it. And we're going to the gym, and I realized just now that I forgot to get my leggings out of the laundry room when I was leaving, so I'm having to wear these old sweatpants. I hope I don't die of heat stroke, but gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just glad we're going, and also it's really dark in here right now. I don't have like any lights on. So gonna go to the gym. It's like literally 8 o'clock. You know that? Yeah. It's 8 o'clock. We're not coming back till like 9. It's kind of dumb, but I got off work a little bit late, so whatever.